10 pocket gadgets you should have. Are you someone who always wants to be prepared for any situation? Then you're going to love these 10 essential pocket gadgets that you should have on hand at all times. Welcome to our video on the top 10 essential pocket gadgets that you should have on hand. Whether you're an outdoors enthusiast, a gadget lover, or someone who simply wants to be prepared for any situation, these pocket gadgets will definitely come in handy. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Self-heating lunchbox. A self-heating lunchbox is a great way to enjoy a hot meal on the go. There are a few different models on the market, but they all work by using a heating element to warm up your food. The great thing about a self-heating lunchbox is that you can enjoy a hot meal without having to stop and find a place to heat up your food. This is perfect for busy people who are always on the go. There are a few things to keep in mind when using a self-heating lunchbox. First, you will need to make sure that the food you are putting in the box is fully cooked. If it is not, the heating element will not be able to cook it fully and you could end up with food poisoning. Second, you need to be careful not to overheat your food. The heating element can get very hot, and if you leave your food in the box for too long, it can start to burn. Third, you need to be careful not to put anything in the box that is not food safe. Some self-heating lunch boxes have a plastic liner that can leach chemicals into your food if it is not food safe. Number 2. Essential oil diffuser. As the name suggests, an essential oil diffuser is a gadget that is used to diffuse essential oils into the air. There are many benefits of using an essential oil diffuser, some of which include reducing stress, improving sleep, and boosting energy levels. There are many different types of essential oil diffusers available on the market, and it can be tricky to know which one is right for you. Here is a quick guide to help you choose the best essential oil diffuser for your needs. Ultrasonic diffusers are one of the most popular types of diffusers as they are relatively quiet and produce a fine mist of essential oils. These diffusers use ultrasonic vibrations to create the mist, which means that they do not use heat to do so. Nebulizing diffusers are another popular option, and they work by using a high-pressure air stream to create a fine mist of essential oils. These diffusers are generally more expensive than ultrasonic diffusers, but they are also more efficient at diffusing essential oils. Evaporative diffusers are the most basic type of diffuser, and they work by using a fan to circulate the essential oils around the room. These diffusers are not as effective as the other two types, but they are the most affordable option. When choosing an essential oil diffuser, it is important to consider the size of the room that you will be using it in. If you only need a small diffuser for a single room, then a personal diffuser would be a good option. Number 3. Cap gun. A cap gun is a type of toy gun that makes a loud popping noise when the trigger is pulled. They are also known as cap pistols or toy pistols. Cap guns are often used in toy gun sets that include other accessories such as a holster and toy bullets. Cap guns were first invented in the early 1800s and were made with real gunpowder. This made them very dangerous and they were quickly banned. In 1843, a new type of cap gun was invented that used a percussion cap instead of gunpowder. This made them much safer and they quickly became popular. Today, cap guns are made with a variety of materials such as plastic, metal, and wood. They are powered by a small spring that is released when the trigger is pulled. This causes a small hammer to strike the cap, which ignites a small charge of pyrotechnic composition and creates a loud popping noise. Cap guns are still popular today, especially with children. They are relatively inexpensive and are often used in conjunction with other toys such as cowboys and Indian sets. If you are looking for a toy gun that will make a loud noise, a cap gun is a good option. Just be sure to supervise children when they are using them and make sure they understand that they are not real guns. Number 4. Cable protector. There are many different types of cable protectors available on the market. They are made from a variety of materials, including plastic, metal, and rubber. They come in a variety of sizes and shapes, so you can find one that fits your needs. Cable protectors are used to protect your cables from damage. They can also help to extend the life of your cables by preventing them from being kinked or bent. Cable protectors are available in a variety of colors, so you can choose one that matches your decor. They are also available in a variety of price points, so you can find one that fits your budget. Cable protectors are a great way to keep your cables safe and extend their life. Number 5. Rough pad. A roof pad is a small, handheld device that is used to clean up your dog's paws after a walk or playtime. This gadget is a must-have for any dog owner, as it helps to keep your home clean and prevents your dog from tracking dirt and mud through the house. The roof pad is also great for keeping your dog's nails clean and trimmed, as it has a built-in nail file. Simply wipe your dog's paws with the roof pad after a walk or play session, and you'll be able to keep your home clean and your dog's nails in good shape. Number 6. Tribit BD Speaker. If you're looking for a great gift for the music lover in your life, or just want to upgrade your own audio experience, look no further than the Tribit Bluetooth speaker. This little device packs a serious punch with rich, high-quality sound that will fill any room. It's super portable, so you can take your tunes with you wherever you go. The Tribit Bluetooth speaker is designed with portability in mind. It's small enough to fit in your purse or backpack, and has a built-in handle for easy carrying. The speaker also has an IPX7 rating, meaning it's waterproof and can be used outdoors without worry. The sound quality of the Tribit Bluetooth speaker is truly impressive. It features 2 full-range drivers and a passive subwoofer, providing rich, clear sound that will fill any room. The speaker also has Bluetooth 4.2 technology for easy pairing with your favorite devices. Number 7. Folding Pocket Knife. A folding pocket knife is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, from cutting rope to opening boxes. With a compact design that easily fits in your pocket, a folding pocket knife is a must-have for anyone who wants to be prepared for anything. Number 8. Mini Flashlight. Whether you're walking home at night or trying to find something in a dark corner, a mini flashlight is a pocket gadget that you won't regret having. With a small, compact design, you can easily carry it with you wherever you go, and it can come in handy in a variety of situations. Number 9. Wireless earbuds. If you love listening to music or podcasts on the go, wireless earbuds are a great pocket gadget to have. With a compact design and Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily take your music with you wherever you go without the hassle of tangled wires. Number 10. Pocket-sized first aid kit. If you're someone who likes to be prepared for any situation, a pocket-sized first aid kit is a must-have. With bandages, antiseptic wipes, and other essential first aid supplies, you can be ready to handle minor injuries or emergencies at any time. So there you have it, 10 essential pocket gadgets that you need to have on hand. From practical tools to innovative technology, these gadgets will make your life easier and more efficient. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.